Today I'm going to show you one of the fastest and easiest ways to cook corn on the cob. So first of all, get yourself a pot that'll hold all of the corn you're going to be cooking. Now find yourself a plate or a dish or even the lid from another pot, and we'll be using this and putting it in there upside down. All we need is something that's going to keep the corn out of the very small amount of water that we're going to be using in the pot. And now fill the pot with about 1 inch to 1.25 inches of water. And now turn your stove on and bring the water to a boil. And once it's boiling, put your corn in. Put the lid on. Put the heat down to medium and set your timer for 20 minutes. And that's it. They're cooked and ready to eat. Oh, that is so tender. That's just beautiful. Well, I hope this video has helped. If it did, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. And we'll see you next time.